Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to regain access to your YouTube Studio account. YouTube Studio is essential for managing your channel, videos, and analytics, so losing access can be frustrating. Follow these steps to recover your account safely. Step 1. Go to the YouTube login page and enter the email address associated with your Google account. Make sure it's the email linked to your YouTube channel. Step 2. Enter your password. Double-check for typos and ensure caps lock is off. Step 3. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your recovery email or phone number to reset it. Step 4. If your account has two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, enter the verification code sent to your authenticator app or phone when prompted. Step 5. If you no longer have access to your 2FA device, use your backup codes or recovery options to log in. Step 6. Once logged in, go to YouTube Studio to verify that all your channel settings and content are intact. Step 7. If you're still unable to access your account, contact Google Support. Provide your account details and any relevant information about your channel to help verify your identity and recover access safely. Following these steps will help you regain access to your YouTube Studio account and continue managing your channel effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.